So, this is my 2001 Chevy Blazer. I am having a little bit of problems. I have changed spark plugs, wires, cap and rotor, and I had a misfire. There is no more misfire, but if you take a look, I'll start it up. No more misfire, starts good. Idling at about 500, 525. But see, when I go press the gas, it wants to bog out at 1500 RPM. So, I took out my spider injectors and they were fucking burnt to shit. I cut out my cat and still nothing. I have changed fuel filter as well and I am stuck. If anyone can help me, just leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.